need to breathe. Anyways, what's up, everybody? Welcome back again to this channel. And today, I am going to teach you how I do my eyebrow routine. It is not a long process, but it needs a little bit more of focus and everything. So yeah, we're gonna do that. You already know. Like this video, subscribe. Again, subscribe. And yeah, that's about it. And also share. If you like these type of things, share. And we'll see. So let's get started. With these brows, we're gonna fix them, make them look good. They're not gonna be equal 100% because you know, brows are supposed to be sisters, not twins. Sometimes they're cousins, but I'm gonna try to make it work the best. So yeah, sorry if you see like my lace there, like it's not 100% like accurate to what I'm gonna look like, but whatever. Anyways, let's get this started. So first thing you'll need is this thing right here, the brow conditioner right here. So this thing, I've already passed it. It kind of like fixes your brows. It helps them grow. I'm passing a little bit again, but it's the first thing I do. So now, usually when I do my brows, I have two mirrors here. Like you guys can't necessarily see them, but I do. I have one from afar so I can see what I look like from afar, and I have one very close up here so I can see what I look like close up, you know? So basically, what I do is feather them up. And me personally, my problem area with my brows are like towards the end, as you can see. That's where like I have no more hair left. I have some. I've had microblading before. It kind of helps and everything, but to be honest, I didn't go back for a touch-up. And my brows are like back. There's still some like microblading, like little things left, but whatever, right? Next thing I do is take this brow definer, Precisely My Brow by Benifit. I have tried like 2 brow products, and to be honest with you, like Benifit is like the one that I stick to. The other one I used to use is NYX, but oh, and I've used the Maybelline one, the one that's like pink, which came up with their like coconut, I think. I remember, it's pink. So basically what I do is I do each brow like legit a little bit by themselves or together. Well, I start with one here, and what I'll do is follow the natural lining of my brow, as you can see here. And I start from the middle here. I whisk it out. And yeah. See, I'm just following the natural shape of my brow. To fill it in. See, it already makes a big difference between this here and this there because my tail is filled. Normally, sometimes when I don't have a big day or not doing anything and I just like I'm going out, like this is what I do to my brows, and that's it. I just feather the end, and that's about it. Like, I know that this one is like higher than this one, I feel, but seriously, like I've never had like equal brows, and I don't ever think that it's ever gonna happen. So yeah, I fill in the tail just like that, and then I'm done for this part of the brow. I know the front is not done, but this is legit only what I do, and I just like rake the brush through it to pass the product like right in there. So next, I take the brush again by Benifit that looks like this here. I don't know if I'm in focus or not, but it looks like this. I'll put a picture here or whatever. And then I take this right here. It's from Maybelline. It's the TattooStudios pomade, because this thing here makes that your brows really don't move at all. And I've had this for a long time and I use it a lot. like every single time. So I take this right here, I clean it off. It's kind of like already clean, but taking the excess out, and I really legit put it like just right there. And then again, normally I put this here and then I like work it through a little bit more to the end, because I want my brows to stay in place. Filled in or whatever, we always can clean it up. So yeah, that's legit what I do. Again, I can see that they're not equal, but to be honest with you, like, who cares at this point? Because nobody has equal eyebrows. If you do, that means even when you have microblading, your eyebrows are never going to be that equal. And if they are, bless your soul, but mine's aren't. So yeah. Next, I take black eyeshadow and then like do little strokes of hair. And again, and I pass it like towards the ending here, like defining here a little bit more. And to be honest, I know this looks long, but it doesn't take me that long to do because I'm really used to it. Just fill it in like this, so my brows looks like that. And to be honest, I'm kind of done with the brow construction, but I know like they're not equal. They're never equal, and it really makes me so pissed. Then I take this here from Maybelline. It's called Push Up Angels, just to rick it through the front like that. Sometimes I go back towards the front again with this, and then I just add little like streaks up here, just fill it in a little bit more. We don't look that crazy. I know I look like I have bushy brows, but don't worry, I got you. Concealer's gonna fix this. Then I usually take like this mascara from Benifit. It's the BADgal Bang one, and this one is one that's done. And I just like brush it up. They still have like a little bit of product left on it, so that's why I pass it sometimes. Or I just take a mascara, because I have another Benifit one that has products on it, and I just lightly dust it off. So that's my brows. I always use black for my brows. People I know are gonna be like, why do you use black? It's not your business, because it's not your brows. Like, that's how I like them to look. I like them to look black. I like them to be pronounced. And yeah, so if you have a problem with it, call your mama, but your mama ain't gonna do shit for me. Okay. So after we're done with all that type of jazz with the brows, and I'm kind of like, I don't love them because they're not equal. I can really see it, but we're gonna clean it up with a little bit of an eyebrow pencil. Well, not pencil, but a flat brush, just to pass it and clean it up. And this blush here by Ëlle, and this part here to just buff it out at the end. I know it's not clean. They're disaffected, but just not clean. So don't clean. So I usually take a concealer, any concealer that I use, and I only put this on the bottom. And this one is from Fenty, the Pro Filt'r and Set Retouch Concealer in the shade 316. Who else wants Rihanna to come out with brow product? Who else is waiting for that? But anyways, so I usually take the flat brush and I start it here, just like that. And I'm gonna look crazy, but it's just because I really want them to be easy. And I just brush it up like that, just to clean it up. I don't like that sharp look. I just like it to be clean. Think about it. Yeah. So that's what I do. I usually pass some concealer right here also. Just in the middle. And then I go and touch it just like that. I carve out the brows like that with the concealer, and that's it. I do not pass it on top. I don't want people to be like, boom, here's some brows, just like that. Then I go this, and then I just buff it out. I'm looking at the mirror where you can see me from it. Well, I'm just coming back and forth between both of them, to be honest, at this point. Just this one is like a little bit more inclined towards the bottom, so I can look like, because I like doing my brows like this to see like the shape and stuff, but I look at this one to see like what it would look like straightforward also. So see the big difference? Like, brows changes everything, and they are so difficult to work around with, you know, sometimes. And that is it. Usually what I do after that is I pass my foundation on top, but for now, not necessarily needed. I just pass the excess of this, and that is about it. That's what I do with my brows. See? And sometimes I don't like the fact that we can legit see the mark here. So I go back with this brush and I just feather it a little bit more towards the front. And that's what gives me like the perfect, well, my perfect brow vibe. See? I know I've used a lot of products, but they'll all be listed in the bottom. Anyways, so that is my eyebrow routine. That's what I do all the time. When I'm going out though, like I said, I only feather them and that's it. But this is what I look like most of the time with the brows. So don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to this mother effing channel. Follow me on all of my socials, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.